In this video, I will show you how to install FS File Explorer on your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to get the FS File Explorer on your Android TV, what you have to do is use an application called Downloader. This is a nice application for your Android TV. If you don't have the application on your Android TV, you need it. Check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to help you to get Downloader on your Android TV. So once you come to your Downloader on your Android TV, after getting it, come to the search bar here and type in the keyword FS File Explorer. So once you type in the keyword FS File Explorer, all you have to do is to click come over here and click on Go. So once you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you the various sources, various places on the internet where you can install FS File Explorer to your Android TV. And as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various options. And I would recommend you to always go with the first option here. So you come out to the first option here and just click on it. It's going to lead you to the install button on your Android TV. So FS Explorer is an application that helps you manage your files, manage your media applications on your Android TV. So you must have application on your Android TV. So you just have to come over here and try to locate the mouse cursor on the link, and then you click on that. It's going to lead you straight away to where you can install the application to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you found this video helpful.